Welcome to Amazing 7. And today we are counting down our picks for the top 7 biggest skyscrapers of Asia. The realization of the need to build taller and make our cities compact is something that has been persistent through time. Not only does it bring diversity to a city's skyline, but it also induces a city's identity at a much larger scale and context. The leaps in the past few decades have been nothing less than extraordinary in this context. The introduction of high-rise buildings in a city has been sought not only as a programmatic solution but also as a cultural symbol in the city's fabric. Here are the 7 biggest skyscrapers of Asia. Number 7. CTF Finance Center, Guangzhou, China. The CTF Finance Center located in Guangzhou, China is Asia's tallest skyscraper and an architectural marvel. Standing at a towering height of approximately 1,739 feet 530 meters, the building dominates the city's skyline with its sleek and modern design. Completed in 2016, the skyscraper boasts 111 floors and houses a mix of office spaces, luxury apartments, hotels and retail outlets. Its distinctive triangular shape and glass facade contribute to its striking appearance, making it an iconic landmark in the region. The CTF Finance Center is a testament to China's rapid urban development and showcases the country's pros in pushing the boundaries of modern architecture. Number 6. Lotte World Tower, Seoul, South Korea. Lotte World Tower is an iconic architecture marvel located in Seoul, South Korea. As the tallest building in Asia, it stands as a symbol of modernity and innovation. Soaring to an impressive height of approximately 555 meters 1,821 feet. The skyscraper's sleek and elegant design dominates the city's skyline. Completed in 2017, the tower houses a diverse range of facilities including luxury hotels, office spaces and a multitude of entertainment options. One of its most breathtaking features is the stunning observation deck on the upper floors, offering visitors breathtaking panoramic views of the vibrant city below, making it a must-visit destination for locals and tourists alike. With its state-of-the-art engineering and awe-inspiring architecture, Lotte World Tower has become an integral part of Seoul's landscape, symbolizing the city's progressive spirit and economic prowess on the global stage. Number 5. Ping An International Finance Center, Shenzhen, China. The Ping An International Finance Center is a towering architecture marvel located in Shenzhen, China. It stands as the tallest building in Asia and the 5th tallest in the world, reaching an impressive height of approximately 599 meters 1,965 feet, completed in 2017. This stunning skyscraper serves as the headquarters for the Ping An Insurance Company and also houses various office spaces, hotels and observation decks. Its striking design, a mix of modern aesthetics and sustainable features, showcases the city's rapid growth and economic prowess, while providing a symbol of innovation and prosperity for Shenzhen and the entire Asian continent. Number 4. Makkah Clock Royal Tower, Saudi Arabia. Makkah Clock Royal Tower, also known as Abraj Al Bayt Clock Tower, is a prominent skyscraper located in Mecca, Saudi Arabia. Standing at a staggering height of 601 meters 1,972 feet, it holds the distinction of being the tallest clock tower in the world. One of the most notable features of the Makkah Clock Royal Tower is the massive clock face at facade visible from a considerable distance. This clock is not only the largest of its kind globally but also displays Islamic motifs, further adding to its significance as a symbol of the city's religious heritage. The tower serves as a luxury hotel and residential space. Accommodation are a number of visitors during the annual Hajj pilgrimage to Makkah. Its striking architectural design and impressive height making it an iconic landmark in the heart of the Islamic world. Number 3. Shanghai Tower, China. The Shanghai Tower is the tallest skyscraper in Asia, located in the bustling city of Shanghai, China. Standing at an impressive height of 632 meters 2,073 feet with 128 floors above ground. It is an iconic architectural marvel that dominates the city's skyline. Completed in 2015, the tower boasts a unique spiral design that not only enhances its visual appeal but also serves functional purposes, such as optimizing energy efficiency and reducing width loads. Its interior is a mix of commercial, retail, and entertainment spaces, making it a multi-purpose building that has become a symbol of Shanghai's modernity and progress. As Asia's tallest skyscraper, the Shanghai Tower stands as a testament to China's prowess in engineering and urban development. Its construction marks a significant milestone in the country's rapid growth and economic expansion, showcasing cutting-edge technology and sustainable practices. Number 2. Merdeka 118, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Merdeka 118 is the tallest skyscraper in Asia and an iconic landmark located in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Standing at an impressive height of 678 meters, 2,224 feet, it dominates the city skyline and represents a symbol of modernity and progress. This architectural marvel features 118 floors, offering a diverse range of functions, including luxurious residences, premium office spaces, upscale hotels, and world-class retail and entertainment facilities. With its striking design and cutting-edge technology, Merdeka 118 stands as a testament to Malaysia's ambition and innovation in the global arena. This towering structure was envisioned to commemorate Malaysia's independence and promote the nation's growth and development on an international scale. Its strategic location within the city center. Number 1. Burj Khalifa, Dubai, UAE. The Burj Khalifa located in Dubai, UAE is the tallest and most iconic skyscraper in the world. Standing at a staggering height of 828 meters, 2,717 feet with 163 floors. It is a remarkable feat of engineering and architecture. Completed in 2010, the Burj Khalifa dominates the skyline of Dubai, showcasing a striking design inspired by Islamic and traditional Arabian architecture. The building serves as a multi-purpose structure housing luxurious hotels, residential apartments, offices, observation decks, and entertainment venues. Its impressive height, elegant aesthetics, and innovative engineering make it a symbol of modern human achievement and a major tourist attraction, drawing visitors from all around the globe.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.